while we understand that you're not calling it out and not giving explicit guidance per se, but you're maintaining that FY25 will be better than FY24. I want to ask you here, which will be favorable parameters for you for changing the stance, and vice versa, which are the risks which you are seeing, and hence you are saying that you cannot call it out right now. On the operating margins front, there is 1.5% increase year on year. Can you give guidance at least on that part? Will you be able to maintain that operating margin? And on the attrition rate, while you have maintained that this is the level where you will be able to maintain at near 12%, do you believe that from forecasting point of view, if I would say so, that attrition levels will not go anywhere from here?
Ankur, first on the parameters or what yearly indicators, both from a favorable or risk perspective, I would say, what is the how much is the re-evaluation of the ongoing projects that's going on? Okay, if for customers continue to re-evaluate the whole discretionary programs, and some of them get passed, the rate at which it gets passed, that's probably an indication. Second is the sentiment in terms of how much they want to go towards cost optimization, how much they want to invest. These are the parameters that would also give us the confidence. And as I said, like this, in our view, remains very similar to last quarter. That's the reason we're not ready to call out whether the growth momentum will sustain.
So, Ankur, typically the biggest headwind which we have is what we take upfront in the financial year, and that's what has happened. And typically we claw back and inch up in each of the going next quarters. And we'd expect that journey to continue. If you look at FY24, we had, after taking the initial increment impact, we inched up almost 100 basis points in each of the next 3 quarters. And that was driven through significant driving significant operational efficiency. And we stay focused on driving operational rigor in our operations.
With respect to attrition, 12.1% where we are at right now, and I obviously cannot predict for the future like everything else, but I think I'll say that we'll be few basis points here and there, but will be in the vicinity of this in the coming quarter.